Hi and welcome here on the channel. I'm really grateful that you are here with me in the workshop. In today's episode we are testing out our new tongs, which we made in the previous video. You can see it here if you want to. But yeah, I'm making an S-hook because I need one to store my cables onto my video light so that I don't fall over them when the light is off. I can store them properly on a blacksmith matter, of course, with an S-hook, because it's a useful thing to hang stuff on it. But yeah, light our forge and yeah, start smashing the hot iron. First I need to taper it. Taper is just make it thinner, something like that. I'm not sure if you can see it. After tapering we need to make it hexagon and then round. Of course, I made a mistake by bending it the wrong side, but that's not a problem because we can bend it. So. And no one will notice it. It's crazy hot now for the moment, but as you have seen, I made a mistake by knocking it on the wrong side. Then I needed to give it a twist in the vise, but our S-hook is finished. So I already made a few now. I'm gonna show you a few of them. So these were the first ones with some rebarb. As you can see, the material doesn't matter. And I also made a bigger one because it was too small and I wanted to record, but the camera got shut off because it's 40 degrees in here, so the camera was overheating. But this is my last S-hook, so I've made 5 now. It's a good practice, especially when you are knocking it on the wrong side. But yeah, my S-hooks, and I will show you why I am using them. And now I can wrap the cables around the S-hook and they are secure. The previous S-hook was, the bend was too small, so the cables, they were on top and they can fall off. Yeah, but now it's proper, and if I need cable, I can unwire them like this. And I can put them here in the socket and we have light. Okay, so our S-hook is ready. So we are coming to an end in this episode. In the future videos, I have a lot of work on our chicken coop because I have a lot of iron. I need to weld, I need to make some doors, you will see it in the next video of our chicken coop. Also in the future, a lot of projects with iron, some woodworking, all sorts of things. But now I need to pack my motorcycle because I'm on a journey to the UK. And if you want to see that video, please let me know in the comments so I can post it on YouTube, or maybe I just post it on YouTube. We will see. But that's it for this episode. I will say see you in the next. Peace.